Discover the thrilling and controversial implications of generative AI art. Explore a cutting-edge future of digital art in this video. We're facing an exciting and revolutionary moment in the world of art. The rise of generative AI art has opened up a range of creative possibilities, offering a glimpse into the cutting-edge future of interactive digital art. But this new realm of creative expression isn't without its questions. For those who hold copyright to digital artwork to the ethical implications of introducing biased algorithms into public spaces, there is much to explore. This video will dig into the implications of generative AI art, discovering how it can be both an exciting and thought-provoking creative outlet. Subscribe to AI Topia and keep watching the video to explore the implications of generative AI art and discover how it can be an exciting and thought-provoking creative outlet. The possibilities of artificial intelligence have become more and more prominent, not only in research labs, but also in creative industries like art, design, and music. For example, Dall-E is an AI-driven tool developed by OpenAI that can generate images from text descriptions. This program allows people to interact directly with the computer system, which can analyze language patterns beyond its native vocabulary, in order to create visuals without sacrificing accuracy or precision. GPT-4 is one of many breakthroughs like AlphaGo Zero or GAN Lab image completion, which has been made possible by a type of natural language processing called transformer models. The most notable of these is the transformer architecture popularized by Google's BERT model. This makes it easier for computers to understand relationships between words like humans do when they communicate through speech or writing. It's revolutionizing traditional methods of automated understanding, though it's still not as accurate as full human comprehension when it comes to nuance. These successes suggest great potential for positive outcomes, creating partnerships, marrying technology solutions, and hosting powerful collaborations that challenge existing boundaries, all of which can have unlimited positive impacts on our daily lives, sparking new ideas and questions. What implications could arise socially and economically if these technology advancements continue on their current trajectory? GPT-4 has the potential to revolutionize entire industries. It could create content and communicate with customers in a way that no human ever could. Plus, AI art created using GPT-4 can be even more creative than what humans can create, without any bias or restrictions, pushing creative boundaries further than humans can explore, which can lead us down new paths of artistic expression that we've never considered before. What implications will this exponential growth have on our traditional notions about artwork as AI technology increasingly surpasses our own capabilities? The technology behind generative AI art is made with AI is complex. Algorithms are needed to analyze data sets and make decisions just like humans do in creating artwork. They look at colors, shapes, lines, and other elements of composition. Additionally, new data sets can be used or manipulated to create results that far exceed what a human artist could achieve alone. This opens up exciting possibilities in visual art, music composition, storytelling, and robotic engineering. But the process has raised ethical issues, like who owns these works when they don't fit traditional definitions of authorship. As AI-driven tools become more popular in creative industries like design and photography, should we be worried about giving up too much control over our artistic creativity? How do you think we should address the ethical issues raised by AI-driven tools being used in creative industries? Leave a comment with your answer. AI art is becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives, from Google Home ads with dynamic visuals to interactive art installations at museums. As AI creative tools become more user-friendly and advanced, the way we interact with this type of art is also changing. Rather than simply viewing static images, people can now engage in conversations with AI-generated characters, allowing for immersive and personalized experiences. This development opens up a world of possibilities. For example, individuals can ask AI-generated characters questions about specific topics, allowing for a deeper level of engagement and understanding. Additionally, personalized virtual experiences can be created that match an individual's taste and personality, offering a highly customized and unique experience. However, as AI art becomes more sophisticated and interactive, it raises important questions and implications. What happens when people start having emotional conversations with AI art? How might this change the way we interact with technology and art more broadly? For one, there's the question of authenticity. AI-generated characters may be able to mimic human emotion and reaction, but they're still created by algorithms and lack the organic human touch that many people associate with art. Additionally, there's the issue of control. While many individuals engaging with conversations with AI-generated characters, they may be inadvertently providing personal information, which could be used in ways they didn't anticipate. Interacting with AI art is an exciting experience that opens up a world of possibilities. You can appreciate surprises and thought-provoking visuals or text, provide input to shape the output, or even have real-time conversations. The potential outcomes when using generative AI art could be endless, but we're still learning about what can be created by combining AI technology with human creativity, and there are a lot of questions about the social implications, like who owns digital artwork and how to prevent biases from being embedded into algorithmic systems. If people become consumers rather than creators, what impact will they have on the development of intelligent algorithms? Generative AI art is revolutionizing the creative possibilities of what can be created. From Dall-E's surreal images generated to text from Magenta's original music for artists and musicians, These tools are pushing the boundaries of what algorithms can do. But with these advancements comes implications. Who owns this digital artwork? How do we prevent algorithmic biases from becoming embedded into our systems? As AI advances, legal questions about copyright and authorship are becoming more complex. This raises the question, how will this technology shape current discussions around art ownership while still providing artistic integrity? What implications do you think the advancement of generative AI art will have around current discussions of art ownership and authorship? Leave a comment below with your thoughts. Generative AI art applications can be incredibly powerful, offering a wide range of potential uses. They make creativity more accessible and open up possibilities for creative industries around the world. But there are still questions about ethical considerations when it comes to relying on computers for artistic expression. Where is the line between machine-made work and human creation? Additionally, will this new technology remove our existing biases or further embed them in algorithmic systems? This also raises questions about authorship incentives and intellectual property. As we enter an era that embraces AI artworks as legitimate forms of creativity by both humans and machines, we must ask ourselves, how do we ensure that these pieces remain original while using algorithms intelligently enough that they don't restrict but instead enable thoughtful engagement from viewers with their works? AI-generated art is becoming more and more accessible, encouraging people to get involved in creating algorithms. This opens up a world of possibilities for people who wouldn't have had access to this technology before. Anyone can create their own generative art with the help of tutorials and tips online. But with these tools makes it easier to explore algorithmic creativity, ethical issues still must be considered. Are we embedding bias into our systems? Are we providing enough diversity when developing algorithms that everyone can use? And what responsibility do we have for content generated by AI, even if it's just for fun or practice? We must think beyond features like image resolution or accuracy. How might cultural influences affect what gets produced as creative outputs from algorithms in the future? Generative AI tools make it easier and easier more powerful for us to create artwork. People of all backgrounds can explore creative possibilities that weren't available before, and when creating this type of art, you need to remember a few key points. You need high-quality input data, you can use augmentation methods to increase complexity, and refining parameters will affect the output. Don't forget about post-processing techniques for enhancing visuals or music composition. Finally, connecting with other creators in your community can help you push boundaries even further when exploring generative AI art. Social media platforms like Instagram and Twitter give us access to each other's processes and keep us up to date with trends related to generative AI technology and development. Think about how much potential there is in terms of creativity explored through generative AI. What new kinds of creative expression will arise if every artist had an equal understanding and mastery of generative technologies? AI-generated art is becoming more and more accessible, revolutionizing the creative possibilities of what can be created. From Dall-E's surreal images generated from text to Magenta's original music for artists and musicians, these tools are pushing the boundaries of what algorithms can do. But with these advancements comes implications. Who owns this digital artwork? How do we prevent algorithmic biases from becoming embedded in our systems? This raises the question, how will this technology shape current discussions around art ownership while still preserving artistic integrity? People of all backgrounds can explore creative possibilities that weren't available before, but we need to consider ethical issues when relying on computers for artistic expression. Connecting with other creators in the community can help us push boundaries even further when exploring generative AI art. What new forms of creative expression will arise if every artist has an equal understanding and mastery of generative technologies? Are you ready to see how ChatGPT will revolutionize the metaverse? Find out how this technology will forever change the way we interact with virtual worlds and take creative possibility to the next level. Don't miss out on this opportunity to experience the future of generative AI art. Watch our next video and see how ChatGPT will change the metaverse forever.